Oh, what? I just died!
Yeah, same. Just got shot.
I got hit by...
Brothers, this thing is tipping.
Yeah, the helicopter landed on me. And then some big-headed cunt just came.
Well, my teammates...
Hey, hold on.
Yo, who wants to take care of the retard?
I just got...
What happened to
I
him?
don't think I should be trusted with this.
What are you doing?
I have a grenade.
How do I put this away?
I'm kinda... This guy's on something, boys.
How do I put the grenade away, guys?
Just click left click.
Don't do
I
that.
almost did it.
Wait, what's that? Oh, a lighter. Carlos.
Why is it just...
Carlos.
There's all these...
Oh, hello there, neighbours. Wait. What? What?
Different feel to this game
The
now.
fuck you think you're doing? Some cunt with saggy tits. Oh!
Nice. Oh, I lied. I'm dead.
Yeah.
He is a big cunt. What is wrong with his face?
They're just ugly, like.
Hold up.
You have to be. Just take turns.
Hold
Take an aggro.
I can't...
Fuck was that?
Hmm?
No, like a bunch of spiders.
Spills come on you once you kill him, lad.
What? What? Oh, that's the cum there. Don't get too close, bro. Yeah, it's fucking gone now, lads. Go after it. I can't.
Yeah, it's on the side. We need to like turn it.
Okay, I get you. So like this, like this.
It needs to be
So
like,
so at an angle, and then
hop on it.
where'd it go? It fell through the map. I'm on it, but it's not. Where'd my log go? It fell through the map. Oh shit.
No, it won't work. It won't work. We need a sledge. Oh wait,
What?
wait. Wait, hold on. Hold on. No, wait. Chop it in half. Chop it in half.
Okay.
Just don't hit the rope.
Okay. I hit the rope.
Let me have some meds real quick.
Oh, the fucking golden guy.
Hmm?
I can't skin the other one, by the way. Right there, Carlos. Don't mind me, I'm just...
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
I got you.
Oh, we'll do it together.
I'm bad.
Yo, go in it. I need some human meat, bro. Oh, bro!
Where you come from? Monkey ass pagan. I want my spear back, love.
There you go.
I don't actually know how you're swinging the spear in your arm.
Oh my god. I'm dead. Yeah. But didn't give me a chance. What? What? Yeah.
I chucked my spear at you.
Oh my god. For fuck's sake, lad. Where's he gone?
He's dead. Yeah, he's...
There's another guy! he's after Casper. Shit, Casper's down. Yo! Yo! Oh, bro, fall. Hold on, let me go revive him.
Oh, lord.
Fucking belly flopped, you know? What are you telling him to do?
Build shelter. Now I have a gun to your head, lad.
Bro,
He's a wizard, Ali.
where have you pulled this from? Can you shoot him?
Bro, ruining my fucking bed.
But either. We can't do it, it's just you, lad. Look at this, look at this mong.
Are you seeing this? Did you join Discord? Like,
That is embarrassing. That is embarrassing. That is embarrassing. Look at him. Fucking muppet. Also, Carlos, you used to look like this old cunt. When did you change, bro? No,
I guess every time. I guess every time.
Yeah, I used to be black. My hands are white, bro.
No, you are still black.
Old men throwing fucking rocks at black people. Nothing new here. Let's see what I do in return.
Boys.
At me? Go on then. Yo, what the Okay. Nathan, you go next? Nigga, he just pushed me! He's getting to push me off the fucking building. What's this prick doing? He just pushed me off the building, man. The fucking sausage. I need to go take some logs, man. They're all getting closer to you, so you can just come and build them, lads. We're getting fast logs to you, lads.
Yo, catch.
Nice. Oh.
Oh, you fully killed him. We can't get him back. I'm joking. He'll magically get out, but
This
I think.
is only a scratch. The wall? Or is that just his marker on his body? Still. Let me try and get rid of the body.
Is he getting up? He's getting up.
Oh,
You just killed him again.
he wasn't getting up, bud.
Just leave him. Just leave him. Loki.
Oh, I got lucky. Wait, we both.
I think we just dupe.
Come try that again. Where are you going?
Well, at least she's in there now.
Count down the pickup of these logs.
1, 2, 3, go.
Nah, what? And one got placed in the other logs. Nah, more infinite logs. Wait, I'm not there yet. Wait. This...
Why is there planks?
No, that's not the issue here. When we take... No, if that fucks it up now... We're getting infinite logs from this, lads. We...
Lad, I was clearing it.
Okay, yes it is. Does it still work? Of course it does. I don't know, it might have been when I placed a plank in there by accident, but it's gone now. Well, I ain't complaining.
We created our own glitch.
A much more productive one, you know.
Upload that to TikTok. I don't care.
No, I don't care. I don't give a damn. Yeah, bro, come help me with the structure, you fucking monk.
Who? I was gonna say, brother, I'm doing this.
Live, I'm just being called out 24/7.
I'm duping it.
What do you mean? Carlos.
I'm halfway to do.
Carlos. That was so fast then.
I found a way to dupe. There's one stuck in here.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, just keep holding it. What are you doing? Tell me. Like,
There's one stuck at the bottom there,
so
and I just keep trying to pick it up with my second one.
Yeah, that's not good. Oh wait. Okay, let me. I just call it like.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, you know what?
I just realized that's. Nah, man. Oh my god. Oh my god, no fucking way. Oh my god, Carlos.
What? No. 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 Okay, that's enough, blood.
Infinite storage now. I'm building every fucking storage thing we need around the walls, okay? I don't know. Can you dupe it as well? These ones are like holy, bro.
I can't. Wait.
No, you're just taking them, bro.
Oh,
Wait, Carlos, can you take them from here? Take one from here.
I have.
Oh. 'Cause what happens if
There's
I
nothing there. They have reappeared.
Bon voyage! I'm going after it, then.
Ow.
How do you go faster?
I don't know.
Come on, let's go on this one.
Meow.
Yeah, what?
I'm not even touching my keyboard, lad.
Okay, you go on first, and then I'll follow.
Okay.
I've just been left in the dust. So far behind.
I don't touch anything.
I guess we're going up, boys.
Drinking a baby.
Ah, baby. Oh, driver, I would dog trees on the wood. Are we sure we are like going? Okay, we are going up, I guess. I'm just very slow sentence. Why do you think they name him Blacks when skiing?
What?
The fucking highest courses, are they not called Blacks? Like a black diamond or some shit? They call them like the blues and the blacks, you know?
No clue. No clue.
You never been skiing?
Nope.
No,
Okay.
we're not rich.
Yeah.
Well, Nathan might be easy, Drew.
No.
Oh fuck, one spawned right in front of me.
Yeah, there's a whole colony in the water,
No,
lad.
he's talking about me.
They're
man.
dangerous then.
Ew. That's not my Roman.
You really gonna waste that?
What?
He has a Molotov. Cooked.
Oh.
Bro,
Nathan,
watch
why are you
yourself.
shitting during the path, lad?
Pause.
Oh my god! I just screamed. I turned. Oh no, I just screamed too loud. Look, I turned around, I heard heavy footsteps and a moose's arse in
Yo,
his face.
Souls clip that club. He actually shut
They're
himself.
so thinking like there's a new type of beast about. But yeah, that was
Bro,
definitely
when I
too
looked to the left, I thought he was like raising his
Really?
arm. Yeah, like.
loud. Oh, that was so loud, blood. I'm done for. I'm going off then. I'll catch you in a bit, boys.
Over a moose.
No, the moose's arse was in my face. I turned around. No, so I heard the footsteps, crazy fucking loud footsteps. I'm thinking, the fucking juggernaut's there. Turn around, fucking arse is in my face.
Juggernaut though.
So many moose speed.
We would have plenty of
This
speed.
is a vertical drop. How am I able to walk up this?
Because we train our legs. Alright, we're going now. This is the peak.
This is
I'm
never
go-
the peak. I must.
We're off.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, I went down the left, lads. Oh, now I'm flying though.
Wait, do you just
Oh,
are you just pulling up the book? I don't
Yeah.
have a sled or anything.
I need to redo it. I'm coming to redo it.
you doing it then?
Mine hit the fucking rock right away and it slowed me down. Book's open, lad.
The book was open.
Press it once, innit? Go up top, I'm redoing it anyway.
If you guys do it, maybe, oh, there's a new cave there for Nathan. Never mind, something.
Oh, my book was on the left side.
You fucking said
We asked you and you said yeah.
how I keep this.
Wait, what the fuck's the difference? Why does it matter?
Hey, it's just how it is,
Alright,
lads.
is that... Alright, why can you log glitch, innit? This is how it is.
Do you wanna get down the mountain, one of you? I just see.
Yeah, we're both going up.
Alright. Why is Nathan going on?
Alright,
Oh, he
let's
fucked
go.
it first time.
Because he fucked it as well. Alright, 3, 2, 1, open. Oh,
Mashallah. Mashallah.
Oh, Carlos, stop.
I
No,
stopped.
Nathan, stop.
I'm going.
Oh,
Right.
Carlos is next to me then. That's what.
Oh,
continue.
I've gone. Oh, I stopped here. I made it the furthest.
So turn it off. You sausage fingered back.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm going off like
Yo, a wolf.
Yo.
Nah,
Um,
it was a rock, but from afar it looked like a wolf. I swear it was like biting or something.
You are something else.
he dropped something on the logs. Where's that? Oh, no, that's the,
Bury him. Go down. Kelvin, the immortal. There we go. Now
I
kill him.
speared him.
Kill him. Kill him.
No,
Just
no,
bury,
don't.
bury him in logs. R.I.P. brother.
The invincible man.
God damn, boys.
Oh, hold up. Why am I taking damage? Fuck you.
He's killing you.
Shooting rocks at me.
Hello.
I hate them. I hate him. I Come here.
He's alright, melt anyway. I guess we'll have to rebuild with the fucking zip wires after we kill him. So I'll start getting rid of them all. Unlucky. Unlucky. Oh, he fell short.
Oh, I died. I actually died.
Perfect.
Rest me.
Finish him off. Finish him off.
Nah, rest me. Don't actually.
Oh.
Oh, you're actually a fake. What are you doing?
Nathan.
What are you doing? You
I'm gonna get one shot, man. This kid fucking doing this. Like, why is he camping me for?
Look at him, he's just spunking out.
He's got 4 guys on him. Camping.
Oh, there is dynamic, Jeremy. Fucking hell.
That ain't the dynamic do it first.
He's just spunking on the
Should
tent.
we kill that one? We'll get him on the way back.
Can I
Time to
release
the
myself?
boy.
Sacrifice. Sacrifice. Sacrifice quick.
You think I'm black, lad? This isn't the KKK here. Yeah, dickheads.
I'm just getting my free shit, then. Getting free money.
I got one.
Do I have to reorganize my shit?
Can we kill these ugly
All
fucks,
that,
please?
Well, you guys made me deaf, by the way.
You like Kelvin now, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
Like, I have minimal sound.
Like, go get me some logs, then.
You're a slave now, yeah. What the fuck?
See?
You know? I can organize that. Fuck off. Stay
Yeah, do
away.
it then. Do it, pussy. Stop. What are you hitting me, lad?
I'm hitting whoever I see.
Oh, I'm dead. Someone rose, please.
Somebody knows you. You is.
Oh,
Wait,
that's-
Nathan, what have you got for the resurrection?
Oh, I can just leave the game right now.
What have you got for the resurrection? Wait, did you pick them up?
Teabag. Oh.
Yeah, oh, I'm dead, you pricks.
Did you leave him to die? What
I
happened?
didn't res him, but you killed him, lad.
Me? Nah, never.
Yeah.
Never.
Yo, why'd you just go in for a kiss? Like, yo.
What?
Oh,
You're weird,
look,
you.
look, no, look at me. Look, you just did the, no, you just went leant in for a kiss, look. What are you doing, man?
I'm feeling emotional. Hey, Nathan, all I'm saying is X marks the spot.
X
You
does
know
mark
what I
the
mean.
spot. X does mark the spot.
And the best thing about it is he can't hear a fucking thing. He has no idea we're coming.
Apart from Discord.